Hello everyone, in this video I will introduce you to the feature of anonymous mass posting. This feature is very simple. First, select the group posting feature, then select the content you want to post. Enter the number of groups you want to post and enter the keyword so that the software can automatically find groups related to that keyword. Finally, just check the box, Post anonymously, and click the Start button. The software will notify you of the progress. Then, go to the Post History section to check the posting history. Let's check it. If you are interested in this software, please contact me directly via Telegram, which I pinned below.